Nicholas Sibavi Palma, and for today's video, we're going to interview someone who have tried flying a drone, and it is
Ish Pinto.
So I'm just gonna ask her some question about it. So what type of drone did you use?
I used the DJI model.
So what is it used for?
It's used for photography drone.
So what are the challenges did you face during?
There's a lot, of course. Hindi natin masasabi na wala akong challenge kasi sobrang challenging ng wind and then yung control kasi hindi lang basta-basta siya kinokontrol sa control panel. So marami kang dapat pag-aralan na hindi lang ikaw basta pindot kasi maling pindot mo lang is ayun, masisira yung drone, pwedeng mag-cause na kung saan mapunta yung drone.
So my bonus question is, did you enjoy it?
Overall, I enjoyed it and then at the same time, pressured by my uncle kasi ang dami niyang sinasabi that time. So, overall, I enjoyed it.
So hopefully in our vlog, we can try flying a drone too, and that's it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you!
Bye.